So is this your first unboxing video?
This is my first unboxing video and I'm very excited.
Oh.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Oh.
What's it gonna be?
Oh.
I'm so excited.
Very well wrapped.
Oh.
Wow!
Woo.
Look at that!
Wait, is that a car park?
Yep! Of course they're car parts! It's the most exciting thing you can unbox!
Oh.
Whoa! Oh, look at that! Beautiful. Oh, they're so shiny and new.
So is everyone gonna like see them and be like, whoa?
No, because these go inside. These go inside the gearbox, so no one will see them.
Oh, what's the point in that?
Well, I will know how shiny and new they are, and every time I use my clutch, I'll be thinking, nice new clutch parts.
Great.